Okay guys, so yun, good to know Friday na naman tayo guys. So yung mga share na naman aming information sa inyo na hindi nyo alam or posibleng alam nyo, di ba? So ito actually, na-inspire to because of one of our meetings recently.
One of our customers.
Oo, my friends, VIP, ganyan.
Kasi syempre, family din naman natin yung
contractor.
Contractor, yeah.
So guys, si Brother Lance nga pala, shoutout sa'yo kung nasan ka man. Kasi lagi ka na lang kung nasan-san. So, nakita namin, suot niya yung pinakabagong release ng Nike guys. Kung alam niyo ba yung Nike na collab ni Tom Sachs, Mars Yard. So, this is the 3.0 version. Kasi, bakit 3.0? Kasi pangatlo na, di ba? Siyempre, di ba? Hindi ako sa mga to. 3.0 guys, kasi it's a third installment for that release and collaboration. That actually, this pair is very much in relation to the business that we do. So, resale store, we're not a retail store. So, yung retail kasi is if you're buying directly from the brand store, di ba? And resale is the value after market sales, di ba? Because of the rarity of the product and all that. So, yun, in the resale community, Tom's Sachs or Mars Yard, they retail for about $275. So, mga ano yun, magkano yun?
Mga 15 to 16,000 pesos guys.
15 to 16,000. And guess what? Magkano yung price niya sa market or resale value niya?
Magkano?
It's 6 digits, guys. So, makabot siya na around 130 to 150,000 right now. So, overpriced ba? Diba? So, ang dami magsabi mga tao na overpriced. Diba? Ba't ang mahal? Guys, ganun kasi talaga yung resale. Actually, for quite some time, if you think about Nike and mga collaborations sila, this is the one of the releases that has proven to be very consistent in terms of holding value. Kasi, siya lang yung collab ngayon na may value pa rin na nasa 6 digits pa rin yung resale value, guys. Diba? So,
there's a story behind it, no?
There's a story behind it kasi. And also, ito yung good to know Friday natin dyan. Okay. Alam nyo ba?
Alam natin.
Na if nag-purchase kayo ng Tom Sachs 3.0, sumali kayo sa raffle at nanalo kayo, edi yung galing nyo, congratulations, diba? Pakyo kayo lahat. Pero,
lagi akong talo sa mga ganyan.
Ayan, yung mga talo. So, yung mga talo ngayon, swerte guys. Why? Kasi Nike did something different with this release. So, if you join the raffle, but you unfortunately didn't win, you'll get an email that tells you na you're a loser. Yes, pero because you showed up, merong specific pair na allotted only for you. Sa mga loser lang, guys.
So, bakit sa akin ka tumingin nung loser na?
Pero yun, guys. So, this is exclusively available sa mga loser at natalo pero sumali sa raffle. And the shoes looks not too bad, pero it's something na parang it's a unique shoe kasi it's gonna remind you.
There's a certain value ba?
Yes, correct. There's certain history.
For the losers.
It's the first time that Nike did this na merong exclusive release only for losers, guys. So, it's the Tom Sachs Nike collaboration Mars Yard Losers Edition.
Losers Edition. So, hindi siya kasama dun sa 3 installments?
No, it's not kasama. Different yung color niya.
It's not 2.0.
Oo, kasi yung 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, they look very similar. Red and beige yung color niya.
Okay.
Pero yung pang losers, eto guys yung picture.
Okay. Pero for that raffle, anong release? The 1.0 or the 2.0?
That's a 3.0. The most recent release. Which released this month, which is the month of September 2025, guys.
Okay, good job Nike. Good job ba?
Well, yeah, good job Nike because they're doing something different. We all know na medyo nag-fall behind yung brand ng Nike lately in terms of the fashion and trend demand. So maybe spicing things up will help build their brand back up again and holding on to the successful collabs, diba? So we all know naman yung mga successful collaboration nila, diba? Nike, Travis Scott, Fragments, and all that. No. Off-White, well, I think that was successful way during Virgil's time, and I think they're, trying to make an effort na mag-release ng mga old OG pairs that were Virgil design. Pero anyway, that's it. That's a different story for another day. Pero ngayon, good to know Friday, guys. Nike, Tom Sachs, Mars Yard 3.0. Bye.
Now you know.